Having a dash cam in your vehicle isn't just about recording fun road trips. It's one of the most effective tools for protecting yourself against accidents, fraud, and unexpected incidents. Whether you're dealing with reckless drivers, insurance claims, or simply want to capture something incredible on the road, the right dash cam can make all the difference. But with so many options on the market, how do you choose the best one? In this video, we'll break down the top 5 best dash cams you can buy today. All the links to the products mentioned are in the description below. Let's get started. Number 5. Xiaomi 70 Mei Dash Cam Omni. The Xiaomi 70 Mei Dash Cam Omni stands out from the competition due to its innovative 360-degree rotating camera, providing unparalleled coverage of both the road and the vehicle's interior. Unlike conventional dash cams that record in a fixed direction, the Omni can automatically rotate to track motion, ensuring that no crucial detail is missed. Whether capturing an incident at an intersection, monitoring passengers inside a vehicle, or recording parking lot activity, this dash cam offers a level of surveillance few others can match. Equipped with 1080p Full HD resolution, the Omni delivers clear and detailed footage, even though it falls short of the 4K quality found in higher-end models. However, its AI motion detection is where it truly shines, using built-in sensors. It can detect suspicious movement around the vehicle, such as someone attempting to break in or vandalizing the car. The camera then automatically turns toward the movement and begins recording, making it an excellent choice for added security. Beyond recording capabilities, the Omni comes with built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, allowing drivers to track their routes and easily share footage via a smartphone app. This feature is particularly useful for rideshare drivers or individuals who frequently drive for work. Additionally, advanced night vision technology powered by an f1.5 aperture and HDR processing ensures clear, low-light footage even in dark conditions or poorly lit streets. Despite its impressive field of view and intelligent tracking features, the lack of 4K recording may be a drawback for users who prioritize ultra-sharp image quality. Some competitors in a similar price range offer higher resolution video, making license plate recognition and fine details slightly more refined. However, if having 360-degree coverage is a top priority, the Xiaomi 70 Mei Dash Cam Omni remains one of the most versatile and innovative options available today. Number 4. Miofive S1 Ultra. The Miofive S1 Ultra is a premium dash cam that combines 4K Ultra HD recording, advanced night vision, and AI-powered features in a sleek and modern design. With 4K resolution, it captures exceptional detail, making it easier to identify license plates, road signs, and pedestrians, even in fast-moving traffic. The Sony Starvis 2 sensor enhances low-light performance, ensuring sharp and clear footage at night or in dim conditions. One of its biggest advantages is its built-in 128GB storage, eliminating the need for external SD cards. Unlike most dash cams that require memory card replacements over time, the Miofive S1 Ultra's integrated storage is faster, more reliable, and reduces the risk of corrupted files. This makes it an excellent set-and-forget option for drivers who want a hassle-free experience. The 140-degree wide-angle lens offers a broad field of view without excessive distortion, capturing a significant portion of the road ahead. While some models push for 160-degree or higher, the 140-degree balance ensures clarity without unnecessary stretching of the image. Additionally, the dash cam features AI-powered driving assistance, providing lane departure and forward collision warnings, which can help improve driving awareness. However, one notable drawback is the lack of a rear camera option. While the front camera excels in video quality and security, users looking for full vehicle coverage may find this limiting. Some competitors at this price range offer dual-camera setups, making the Miofive S1 Ultra better suited for drivers who prioritize high-quality front-facing recording over 360-degree coverage. Overall, the Miofive S1 Ultra is a fantastic choice for those who want 4K clarity, reliable built-in storage, and smart features, though it may not be the best option for those needing rear coverage or extra-wide viewing angles. Number 3. Nextbase 622GW. The Nextbase 622GW is a powerhouse in the dash cam industry, offering a blend of top-tier video quality, smart technology, and safety-enhancing features. Designed for drivers who demand crystal-clear footage, the 4K Ultra HD recording at 30 frames per second ensures that even the smallest details, like license plates, road signs, and facial features, are captured with exceptional clarity. Whether driving on a bright sunny day or navigating dimly lit roads at night, the high dynamic range and enhanced image processing deliver consistently sharp and vibrant video. A standout feature of the 622GW is its image stabilization technology, a rarity in dash cams. This helps reduce vibrations and camera shake, particularly useful when driving on rough terrain or at high speeds. The result is smooth, professional-grade footage that remains clear even in fast-moving scenes, making it an ideal option for those who want reliable, distortion-free recordings. Beyond its video capabilities, the Nextbase 622G AMView is packed with advanced safety features. The emergency SOS function is one of its most valuable additions. If the dash cam detects a serious crash and the driver becomes unresponsive, it can automatically alert emergency services with GPS coordinates. This feature alone makes it a potential lifesaver in critical situations. Additionally, the extreme weather mode is designed to improve visibility in foggy or poor weather conditions, adjusting the camera's settings to enhance contrast and clarity. Another major highlight is the Alexa integration, which allows drivers to control the dash cam hands-free. With simple voice commands, users can start or stop recordings, play music, make calls, or check the weather, all without taking their hands off the wheel. This seamless connectivity adds another layer of convenience, particularly for those who frequently use smart assistants while driving. However, despite its impressive feature set, the Nextbase 622G AMView does come at a premium price. Unlike some competitors that include built-in storage, this model requires a high-performance U3 micro SD card, which is an additional expense. For those who prioritize cutting-edge technology and safety enhancements, though, the Nextbase 622G AMView is one of the best high-end dash cams available today. Number 2. Garmin Dash Cam Mini 3. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 3 is the perfect choice for drivers who want a stealthy, compact, and highly reliable dash cam without drawing attention to their vehicle. Roughly the size of a car key, this tiny device can be discreetly mounted behind the rearview mirror, making it nearly invisible while still providing high-quality video recording. Despite its small size, the Mini 3 is packed with smart features that make it one of the most practical dash cams for everyday drivers. Equipped with 1080p Full HD video and HDR support, the Mini 3 captures clear, detailed footage in a variety of lighting conditions. While it lacks 4K resolution, Garmin has optimized the image processing to enhance contrast and sharpness, ensuring that license plates and road signs remain visible. The wide field of view also helps cover a good portion of the road without excessive distortion. One of the biggest advantages of the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 3 is its hands-free operation. With built-in voice control, drivers can start and stop recordings, take snapshots, or save video clips without touching a single button, a major benefit for those who want added convenience and safety while driving. Another standout feature is the Garmin Vault Cloud Storage, which automatically uploads footage to a secure server, allowing users to access their recordings remotely via the Garmin Drive app. This ensures that important footage is protected even if the dash cam is damaged or stolen. For added security, the parking guard mode is designed to detect and record movement around the vehicle when parked, helping capture incidents like hit-and-runs or attempted break-ins. However, this feature requires a constant power source or hardwiring, which may be an extra step for some users. While the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 3 excels in size, discretion, and smart connectivity, it does come with a few trade-offs. It lacks a built-in display, meaning all settings and playback must be accessed through the Garmin app. Additionally, it does not offer 4K recording, which some users may expect at this price point. However, for those prioritizing a compact, easy-to-use, and discreet dash cam with strong cloud-based security features, the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 3 remains one of the best options available today. Number 1. Nextbase IQ Smart Dash Cam. The Nextbase IQ Smart Dash Cam is the most feature-packed option available, designed to function as a complete security system for your car rather than just a simple recording device. It offers real-time monitoring, AI-powered alerts, and high-quality video, making it ideal for those who want constant surveillance and instant notifications when something happens to their vehicle. The 4K front camera combined with the 1440p rear camera ensures sharp and clear footage, capturing important details like license plates and road signs, even in low-light conditions. Unlike many other models that rely solely on SD card storage, the IQ includes cloud storage and remote access, allowing you to view footage in real time from anywhere using the mobile app. This is especially useful for checking on your vehicle when it's parked, as you can receive instant alerts and access live video feeds no matter where you are. One of its standout features is AI-driven collision detection. If your car is hit, whether you're driving or parked, the system immediately notifies you, allowing for quick action. The 24/7 monitoring mode detects suspicious movements, attempted break-ins, or other unusual activity, making it an excellent choice for added security. In addition to safety, the Nextbase IQ includes driver assistance tools, such as lane departure warnings and forward collision alerts. These functions help keep you aware of potential hazards on the road. The device also features built-in voice control, letting you adjust settings, record video, or retrieve information hands-free. While the Nextbase IQ is among the priciest dash cams available, its combination of high-end security features, real-time monitoring, and AI-driven alerts makes it a standout option for those looking for more than just a basic recording device. There you have it, the top 5 best dash cams you can buy today. Whether you're looking for full security features, crystal clear 4K recording, or a compact and discreet model, there's a dash cam on this list for you. Investing in the right dash cam can provide peace of mind, better protection on the road, and invaluable evidence when you need it most. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more top tech recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.